There is significant support available for learners who wish to study through the medium of Welsh or even in a bilingual manner. We have a number of members of staff in curriculum areas who are Welsh speaking first language, and therefore they offer these students significant support in areas such as childcare, care, motor vehicle, computing. Students can actually have tutorials through the medium of Welsh, access to bilingual resources and generic support from a team of staff that we have employed here in the college. Our bilingual champion, Lisa O'Connor, is extremely active and very much at the front of all the sort of Welsh language activity we're promoting in the college, and she's supported by Janice Morgan, our Welsh language coordinator. And we also have Alice Terry, who is a member of staff who is funded with support from the 14 to 19 Learning Network. So we have this team of 3 people who are working their way around the college in different curriculum areas, providing support both to staff and to students as they require it.